Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, making up roughly 75% of all normal matter by mass. It is a colorless, odorless, and highly flammable gas with the chemical symbol H and atomic number 1. As the lightest element, hydrogen plays a crucial role in both science and industry. It exists primarily in the form of H2, a diatomic molecule, and is found in water, H2O, organic compounds, and almost all living things. Hydrogen has unique properties that make it extremely valuable in various applications. One of the most promising uses of hydrogen is as a clean energy source. When hydrogen is used in a fuel cell, it combines with oxygen to produce electricity, with water being the only byproduct. This process emits no greenhouse gases, making hydrogen an environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. Hydrogen fuel cells are already being used in vehicles, backup power systems, and portable electronics. There are different methods of producing hydrogen. The most common method is steam methane reforming, which involves extracting hydrogen from natural gas. However, this process emits carbon dioxide. A cleaner method is electrolysis, where electricity is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. When this electricity comes from renewable sources like solar or wind, the resulting hydrogen is called green hydrogen, a key component in the shift toward a sustainable energy future. Hydrogen also has important industrial applications. It is used in production of ammonia for fertilizers, in oil refining, and in the manufacturing of chemicals and metals. Due to its high energy content per unit mass, hydrogen is also being explored for use in aerospace and aviation. Despite its benefits, hydrogen presents some challenges. It is highly flammable and must be stored and transported carefully. It also has a low energy density by volume, requiring advanced technologies to compress or liquefy it for storage. Infrastructure for hydrogen fuel, such as refueling stations and pipelines, is still under development in many parts of the world.